Mountain Standard Time.
Here is the 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time observation for Phoenix on Saturday, July 2nd. At Sky Harbor, it was mostly sunny. Visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 102 degrees, dew point 55, relative humidity 20%. Wind was northwest at 8 miles an hour, and the pressure was 29.85 inches and falling. Other observations for south central Arizona, including the greater Phoenix area, it was sunny, with a temperature of 102 at Buckeye, 102 at Luke Air Force Base, 98 at Bear Valley, and 100 at Casa Grande. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 102 at Glendale, 100 at Mesa Gateway, and 100 at Chandler. It was fair, with a temperature of 100 at Scottsdale Airport, and 100 at Gila Bend. At Falcon Field, it was mostly sunny. Observations for northern Arizona. At Flagstaff, thunder was reported, with a temperature of 65. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 92 at Kingman, 77 at the Grand Canyon, 89 at Page, and 73 at Shoal Low. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 78 at Prescott, and 82 at Payson. At Winslow, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 73. At Prescott, wind was north gusting to 25 miles an hour. Observations for southern Arizona. At Yuma, it was sunny, with a temperature of 103. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 96 at Tucson, and 86 at Nogales. At Sierra Vista, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 78. Observations for Southern California. Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 74 at downtown Los Angeles, 69 at Los Angeles Airport, 67 at San Diego, and 106 at Blythe. Regional observations. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 95 at Las Vegas.